That's Jeremy. Tookie's friend. This is Tan. Talking to herself. Himself.
Channel 22.
David.
I'm on channel 1.
Okay. That's David. Well, anyway, go on. That's my mommy. See, and the hammock. That's see again. No! That's my hand. Going. Okay, anyways. That's what it is. Let's go to it. That's Daddy. Okay. Okay. And okay, let's go on. Where's Dougie? That's my Christmas tree. It's not decorated yet. Let's go. Get my sister. That's my sister. Wait, let me zoom in. That's my sister. Can't be all that. She's wearing my shirt. That's me. No, me. Anyways. So, watching TV. And I don't know where Tookie is, so I can't film that right now. Oops. Oh, wait, hold on. I think my sister just told me he's in the bathroom. Oh, shoot, he's taking a shower. Oh, well. Bye-bye.